Welcome back guys. I'm back with a brand new tutorial, shallow copy and deep copy in the series Python Beginner to Advanced. Today we will discuss about how to copy objects in Python. So let's see. Shallow copy, deep copy. Every developer either working on a large project or a small project need to copy object for one of many reasons. Yeah, I know I am a developer and you may be or may not be or maybe in the future. It happens many times that we have an object, or you can say we have a list of numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, or either list of names, and we want to do some transformation on a list, as well as we want to keep save the original data. But if we will copy the data using the equal to operator, it will not create a new object. Yes guys, it will not create a new object. That means that both the values, like if you have a name of list as a list 1 equals to name Aman Pradeep Suman, and you are writing name 2 equals to name 1, then never think that name 2 will be a different instance. Let's see how. So what happens when we copy object using the equal to operator? So we have a list and we have some items, or you can say some nested list of lists in list 1, and I'm writing list 2 equals to list 1. Try to execute it. We have created two lists. Let's see what are the values. Values will be same in both the list. Yes, values are same. Even if you will check the IDs for both the variable list 1 and list 2, these will be same. So it proves when you copy any object using any equals to operator, then it will not create a new instance or new object. Both list 1 and list 2 are sharing, or you can say are pointing to the same values or same elements. So if you will change to any of the value, the other value will be reflected. As you can see from the output, both variable list and list 2 share the same ID. And if I will try to change the value 0 1, that means we are talking about 0 and we are talking about this 2. So we are updating this value in list 2, but when you see the result, that this index value in both the list 1 and list 2 will be changed, because both list 1 and list 2 are pointing to the same elements, or pointing to the same element, or pointing to the same location, you can say that. Because list 1 and list 2 are not, or you can say that when I'm writing list 2 equals to list 1, so list 1 is not creating any new object. It is using the same object as list 1. Essentially, sometimes you may want to have the original value unchanged and only modify the new value, or vice versa in Python. I told you in the earlier, I told you in the starting of this tutorial that I want original data secure in other variable, and I want to copy all the values in variable to some other variable for the transformation. So there are two ways in Python to copy the object: shallow copy and deep copy. So let's see what is shallow copy. So shallow copy, as you are seeing the diagram, original object, and there is another box, cloned object. That means when you copy the any object, that is cloned object. So looking at the diagram, we are very much confirmed that yes, in case of shallow copy, we have two different objects. First thing. Second thing, we are seeing that both original object and cloned or copied object are referencing or pointing to the referenced object, or you can say are pointing to the same location. Is it? Shallow copy create a new object which store the reference of the original element. Remember guys, shallow copy create a new object, good, but which store the reference of the original element. That means that shallow copy is referencing to the original elements. It's creating a new object. It is not using the same object as in case of equal to operator, but it is pointing to the same original element. So shallow copy does not create a copy of nested object. Okay, this is a fact, and note down in your notebook or your in your mind that shallow copy does not create or copy of nested object. When we are cloning any object using shallow copy, then the items which are in nested location, I will show you how, just understand it, will not be copied to the cloned object. Those values, or you can say the nested values, will be sharing among both the object 1 and object 2. So we will see guys how to create a copy using shallow copy. So to create a shallow copy, we will use the copy module, and here we initialize a list which have three nested lists. Here I am cloning list 1 using copy modules copy method. So copy method is used to do shallow copying of or shallow cloned of any object. And here I am printing both list 1 and list 2. Okay, so the results are same. Okay, so we earlier I said that list 1 and when we copied any object or any element using copy.copy, so it will create a new object. To support my statement, I will try to print this statement IDs for both the list 1 and list 2, and these IDs are different. That means that a list 2 and list 1 pointing to different object, but those objects are referencing to the same location or same elements. Let's see how. So we have another example that to support above statement, let's add something list 2. Okay, so import the package copy and I have list 1 with some item and clone the list 1 into list 2, and we are printing here list 1 and list 2, and I am appending some value to list 2. So guys, remember that list 1 and list 2 are two different objects. One thing. Second thing, I am appending some values in list 2. That means when I am adding a value to a different object, that value will not be available in any other object. Let's see how. I'm printing. So first you can say these list 1 and list 2 belongs to these statements. Then I'm adding something to list 2, and here if I'm checking the list 2 and list 1, both are different. That means it support our previous statement that we said that when we copy any object using copy.copy, it creates a new object. Obviously that's why this particular item is being added to a or being added to list 2 only, not to list 1. Okay. Okay guys, this is a very good example to understand why and how shallow copy does not care about nested items. Here you see that I have a list person 1 have some values Sweden, Sven, and nested list C stresses and consents, and this is the, you can say, the representation how it stores person 1. Then we have two different thing, or you can say two different indexes. Very first indexes we have this value Sven. On the second index we have a list, and list have two items Sistreva and Constanza. So I am copying this value, I am copying person 1 object using person.copy. That means I am shallow copying or shallow cloning this person 1 to person 2, as well as I am updating this value Sven to Sarah for object 2 or person 2. Execute it and try to print out what are these values. So person 1, yes, Sven, Stes, Kunzanja, and for person 2 it's Sarah, Swesties, and Cinder. Let's see when we cloned person 1 to person 2 how these will represent or how they will look like. So person 1 is pointing to Swan, as well as these or this list, as well as person 2 is pointing to Sarah and Sisters and Consenza. So guys, look this diagram carefully, that the items which are not nested are being served as specifically being served differently as compared to the items which are or those are nested. Or you can say that the item which are nested are being shared between the cloned object, or you can say the object between a person 1 and person 2. So it clearly represents that when we have a object person 1 and I have cloned that object into person 2, so the values or the items which are in nested, it may be a list, it may be a tuple, whatever, which are present in a nested level will be will be behave differently, and the items which are not in the nested location, or which are not representing as a nested, which are on the top level as Swan and Sarah, will be treated differently for both the objects. Okay, more detail. So in this case, for object person 1 and person 2, Seestreva and Constanza are being shared. That means that if I will change any of the value for any of the object, then it will reflect to another object which is being shared. But if I am changing this value which is on the not in the nested level, these will be changed only for that particular object. So here I'm showing you I am changing person 10. Here I am changing person 10. Let's see, person 10. I'm talking about person 01, and I'm talking about C stressor. I'm trying to manipulating it to NA, and let's see what happened. So as you can see that when I am changing a value which is common, or which is a nested value for both objects are changing, but the values which are on top level when I'm changing for one object is not being reflected to another object. That means that shallow copy creates a new object which stores the reference of the original element, and shallow copy does not create a copy of nested objects. Remember guys, shallow copy does not create copy of nested items or objects. Okay, adding a new nested object using shallow copy. So here we have imported the copy module, list 1 list 2. I am copying list 1 to list 2. It will create another object, and here I am changing value 1 1, that means 0 1 1. I am changing 2 to AA, and I am printing here. So as earlier I have shown you the same example, that if we will try to change the nested value for one of the object in case of shallow copy, then it will reflect to other objects same value, because shallow copy does not copied by or you can say when we shallow copy any object, the values which are on nested level are not being copied. Or you can say that when we cloned any object using shallow copy, so the object does not copy the values recursively. Okay, so the deep copy guys. So as the diagram is very clear here, look at this carefully, that we have an original object, we have a cloned object. Okay, we have a reference object, we have referenced clone. That means that in case of deep copy, we have two different objects. Those objects are pointing to or referencing to two different locations, two different addresses, two different referencing. Okay, let's see how. So we are how to create a clone or copy anything using deep copying. So in copy module, we have a method deep copying is used to deep copy, or which is used to recursively copies all the values of list 1 or item 1 or object 1 to object 2. So here we have list 1 and we are deep copying list 1 to list 2. Okay, let's check the values are same, but if you will check the IDs will be different, because list 1 and list 2 are two different objects which are referencing to two different locations. So let's see adding a new nested object in the list using deep copying. Okay, so here I have a deep copied or deep cloned list 1 to list 2. That means we have two different objects, list 1 and list 2, and I'm trying to changing the value 10. That means I'm trying to changing this value for list 1. That means when when I will print list 1, I will have BB in place of 2 only for list 1, not for list 2. Yeah, that's true, because list 1 and list 2 are two different objects in case of deep copy, and they are pointing to two different locations or two different objects. So guys, that's all about deep copy and shallow copy, and if you have any doubt, please comment. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe my channel and like my video, and if you have or if you want me to make tutorial on any of the topic in Python or JavaScript, feel free to post in the comment. Thank you guys.